right, it is October 15th. We're doing the Katy Trail. I'm out here at the Missouri River. Got bike over there. Surly Ogre. Let's get rolling.
I could dance, I could sing, I could drink anything. If I were a Baptist, I would only dream. I could write a dirty poem, my mind could roam and roam. If I were a siphon, I would drink you up. I could drive my new car faster than a falling star. If I were a sailor, I would miss the sea. I know you could always go somewhere other than here, though. If I were a country road, I would bring you back. I could change the rules around, turn them over upside down. If I were a senator, we would both be king. I could say that I know you, I once said that and she flew. If I were an avalanche, I would break right through. I could go over the sea, kill someone or they kill me. If I were a songbird, I would only sing. I could fall in love with you, tell me if you want me to. If I were a wishing well, I would be too deep. I know someday I will die, you can throw me to the sky. If I were a cannonball, I would never land.